What's up, folks? It's the Line Jenkins. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to take my trusty old Toro Time Master and give it that full spa treatment. What I'm using first is an old paint scraper, and I'm scraping off all of that stuff. And then I use some Dawn. Watch how this old wet turf just peels away. Hopefully I can prevent some rust. Maybe I'll get out my old trusty grinder and grind some of this and paint up under the deck. But I mean, the machine is 10 years old and it's still not looking bad. The next thing is the blade maintenance. So I'm going to remove the blades. You know, I'll look for little nicks and stuff, but I'm going to sharpen this one up because I know that I'm going to have some nicks. I got some blades on order as we speak. Today I'm just using my DeWalt grinder. You know, a few strokes on each side. I'm keeping the right angle with this angle blade holder. And then I'll balance the blade. You know, a balanced sharp blade is the secret to that stripe too. After that, I'm reinstalling my blades. I double check my safety bolts. Always like to clean up after I do this, so I just use my shop vac. Look at these stripes. So clean. The grass stands tall. No tearing or raggedy edges. That sharp blade slices through the grass. Keeps the grass nice and healthy. You don't get those little jagged edges on the grass that turn brown. And then it makes your green grass look a shade off. Nice uniform cut. It's like a golf course fairway except with longer grass. So there you have it. Freshly cleaned deck, razor sharp blades. The lawn is the envy of the neighborhood. If you found this tutorial helpful, just hit the button, subscribe, share it. You know, I'll have more lawn tips throughout the season. This has been the Line Jenkins. Peace.